your go-to source for the latest and most exciting updates from the stock market. If you're passionate about investing and want to stay ahead of the game, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're just getting started. This is our brand new channel, and your support means the world to us. Now let's dive into today's breaking story. March 31st, 2025, a day that will be etched in the annals of financial history. NVIDIA Corporation, the titan of artificial intelligence and graphics processing, found itself at the epicenter of a market maelstrom. The morning sun had barely risen when the tremors began. NVIDIA's stock plunged by a staggering 5.5%, dragging the Dow Jones Industrial Average down by 401 points. A 1% nosedive that sent shockwaves through Wall Street. The catalyst? A seismic proclamation from President Donald Trump aboard Air Force One. He declared that the impending reciprocal tariffs, ominously slated for April 2, dubbed Liberation Day, would spare no nation. This bombshell shattered investor optimism, igniting fears of an all-out trade war and a looming recession. The tech sector bore the brunt of this upheaval. Titans like Tesla and Palantir saw their shares plummet, with NVIDIA leading the descent. The company's intricate web of international supply chains rendered it particularly susceptible to the sweeping tariffs. NVIDIA's GPUs, the lifeblood of AI servers, are predominantly imported from Mexico. In 2024, the US imported a colossal $43 billion worth of computers, a category encompassing data center servers, from its southern neighbor. The imposition of a 25% tariff threatened to inflate costs astronomically, potentially crippling demand for NVIDIA's coveted AI chips. But the tremors didn't stop there. Taiwan, home to TSMC, NVIDIA's primary chip manufacturer, exported a staggering $33 billion worth of computer parts to the US in 2024. Tariffs targeting Taiwan threatened to sever NVIDIA's supply chain, disrupting production schedules and wreaking havoc on pricing structures. Adding fuel to the fire was the lackluster IPO of CoreWeave, an AI upstart heavily reliant on NVIDIA's chips. Priced below expectations, CoreWeave's shares remained stagnant on their debut, casting a long shadow over NVIDIA's prospects in the fiercely competitive AI arena were already shaky, but the latest developments have thrown the company into a turbulent storm. The broader market echoed these anxieties. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ suffered significant declines, with tech stocks bearing the brunt of the sell-off. Investors gripped by uncertainty sought refuge in safe haven assets like gold, which surged past $3,100 per ounce. As Liberation Day loomed ominously on the horizon, the tech industry stood at a precipice. For NVIDIA and its stakeholders, the unfolding trade policies promised to be a crucible, testing resilience and adaptability in an unforgiving global market. The coming days would reveal whether NVIDIA could navigate these treacherous waters or be engulfed by the tempest of economic uncertainty.